BabyBus.
Neo! Time to think big!
Oh, Lady Poopin's here. Oh no! What did she do? No, you can't do that! Little Officer Neo, come quick! Don't let the thief get away! Remember, Little Officer Neo has to choose veggies to charge up. You can do it!
Robber, be nimble, cop, be quick. The cop jumps over the chocolate stick. Veggies or sweets?
Pick, pick, pick!
Veggies or sweets?
Pick, pick, pick!
Watch out for the sweets!
Cop and robber, the chase won't quit.
Veggie power, run! Great!
Robber, be nimble, cop, be quick. The cop jumps over the drumstick. Veggies or sweets?
Pick, pick, pick!
Veggies or sweets?
Pick, pick, pick!
Cop and robber, the chase won't quit.
Veggie power, up! Eating veggies makes our little officer super strong!
Robber, be nimble, cop, be quick. The cop jumps over the lollipop sticks. Veggies or sweets? Pick, pick, pick. Veggies or sweets? Pick, pick, pick. Cop and robber, the chase won't quit.
Veggie power, up! Eating veggies helps our little officer level up and run faster. Candy is sweet and yummy, but too much can give you a tummy ache.
Oh yeah!
Robber, be nimble, cop, be quick. The cop jumps over the candy mix. Veggies, veggies,
Speedy kicks!
sweet, sweet, sticky, sticky sticks.
Too much sugar, the car is breaking down.
Cop and robber, the chase won't quit. Cop and robber, the chase won't quit. Cop and robber, the chase won't quit.
Cop and robber, the chase is over. With veggie power, the cop is the winner.
Yes! Veggie power beats candy! Little Officer Neo saved Bong Bong. Awesome!
Stop right there, donut thief! If you eat veggies like me, you'll be a fast runner too!
Yes, Neo!
Neo, time to think big! Do you like the blue police car? Do you like the yellow excavator? What about the red fire truck?
helper puts on a green coat. Green coat. Baby trash helper drives a trash truck. Trash truck. Cling, cling, cling. I'm a baby trash helper. Ha! Do you like the white ambulance? Do you like the yellow bus? Uh-huh. What about the yellow excavator? Go, yellow room, go! Baby builder puts on a yellow hat. Yellow hat. Baby builder puts on a yellow coat. Yellow coat. Baby builder drives an excavator. Excavator. Dig, dig, dig. I'm a baby builder. Ha! Na 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 na. Babies are happy all day long. Na 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 na. Mommy, daddy, come and take them home. This is so much fun!
Neo, when you're done playing,
Oh, I need to tidy up.
yes, Neo.
Neo, time to think big. Little car driver, oh buckle up tight. Hold the wheel tight and drive just right.
Red light, time to stop. Green light, off we go. Yellow light, take it slow.
Traffic lights are here to show the time to stop and go. Beep, beep, bop, beep, beep, bop, careful, careful. Beep, beep, bop, look out, look out.
Red light, stop. Red light, you gotta stop.
Beep, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop.
Traffic lights, look well and see. They are there for you and me.
Little car driver, oh buckle up tight. Hold the wheel tight and drive just right.
Red light, time to stop. Green light, off we go. Yellow light, take it slow.
Traffic lights are here to show the time to stop and go. Beep, beep, bop, careful, careful. Beep, beep, bop, look out, look out.
Green light, go. Green light, it's time to go.
Beep, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop.
Traffic lights, look well and see. They are there for you and me.
Little car driver, oh buckle up tight. Hold the wheel tight and drive just right.
Red light, time to stop. Green light, off we go. Yellow light, take it slow.
Traffic lights are here to show the time to stop and go. Beep, beep, bop, careful, careful. Beep, beep, bop, look out, look out.
Yellow light, slow. Yellow light, take it slow.
Beep, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop.
Traffic lights, look well and see. They are there for you and me. Traffic lights, pay attention.
Look, look, look.
Red light, time to stop. Green light,
Off we go.
yellow light,
Take it slow. Traffic lights are here to show the time to stop and go. Traffic lights, look well and see. They are there for you and me. For you and me. Daddy, the light is green.
Okay, but let's check for cars first.
No cars! We can go now!
Hold my hand and walk slowly, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Neo.
Neo is hungry and goes to the kitchen to eat some pizza.
Oh, what's that? Neo, time to think big! Phew.
The phone is ringing. Who's calling?
Hello? What? The pizza flew away on its own?
Huh, no way.
Let's go take a look!
Detectives Neo and Grace rush to Bumblewing's restaurant. There is a big pizza with a face.
Boo!
That's so creepy! Huh? Where's the pizza going? Detectives chase it! The pizza ran into the alley and is hiding! Behind you, look! Not only can the pizza run, it can also fly! Huh? Is there a fishing line controlling it? Oh, it was Lady Poopin who stole the pizza! Neo and Grace decide to go catch the pizza. Lady Poopin is driving with the pizza. It looks so dangerous. Neo grabs the car and the pizza flies out. Rolling right past Lady Poopin. The detectives caught the thief.
Pizza, 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 rolling, rolling away. Pizza, pizza, don't you run. Woogie boogie, woogie boogie boo.
Bumblewing grabs the pizza peel to catch the pizza, but it's too big.
Pizza!
Running away!
Pizza!
Running away!
Pizza!
Running away!
Pizza!
Running away!
The pizza is chasing Bumblewing. Where will it roll next?
Woo, 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 woo. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Pizza!
Running away!
Pizza!
Running away!
Pizza, pizza, stop right there.
Oh no! The pizza is stuck up there. What do we do? Oh, it's Bumblewing.
That's it!
Detective Neo has a Neo idea.
Pizza! 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 Pizza!
Pizza, 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 falling, falling with a whoosh. Everybody loves it. Woogie boogie, woogie boogie, yum, yum, yum.
Yes, Neo! You did a great job!
Freeze! Pizza thief! Mommy! Daddy's eating!
You got me, little detective.
Neo! Time to think big!
Let's assemble a car. What kind of car should we make?
Go! Go! Assemble the car! Piece by piece. 1, 2, 3, go! What's that round shape? It's a wheel! It's a wheel! Think hard, it's assemble time. Let's give it a try. Yes, yes! What's that long shape? It's a ladder! It's a ladder! Think hard, it's assemble time. Let's give it a try. Yes, yes! Picking up the firefighter. Vroom, vroom! Time to roll out. Put it together, fire truck. Let's save the day. Nina, red fire truck. Nina coming to help out. Water goes splash, putting out the fire. Great job, fire truck. Yes, yes! traveled so many cars! Yay! Round wheels go here. Hey. The big bus is done! Beep, beep!
Yes, Neo.